Hey tea lovers, welcome back to another installment of Tea of the Week. This week we're going to look at organic pink tea. Pink tea is our ultimate women's wellness tea. We'll talk about a lot of the different benefits that these ingredients provide, but this is also kind of a fun blend because it has 3 different flowers in it. There are 5 ingredients in this blend, so let's go through each one of them and talk about what benefits they provide. The first ingredient is organic green tea. Green tea is not only packed with antioxidants, but it also has been shown to improve brain function and increase fat burning. Green tea is also great for blood vessel health, which improves cardiovascular function and can help lower cholesterol. The second ingredient, and the first of our 3 flowers, is organic lavender. Lavender is known as a soothing flower for its aroma and flavor, but additionally, lavender has been shown to help with sleep, provide a natural pain remedy, and lessen menopausal hot flashes. Our third ingredient and second flower is organic hibiscus. Most people know hibiscus for its beautiful red flowers, but not as many know how many health benefits those eye-catching flowers have. Hibiscus is an antioxidant-rich ingredient and can help to prevent cell damage caused by free radicals. Our second to last ingredient and final floral ingredient is organic rosebuds. Rosebuds add a delicate floral flavor to this blend, but also help to fight against skin irritation, headaches, and inflammation. Drinking tea with rosebuds can also help to calm the central nervous system and mitigate anxiety. Our final ingredient is saw palmetto. Saw palmetto is a type of palm used to help with women's hormone imbalances and to prevent urinary tract infections. Saw palmetto has also been shown to assist in preventing acne. For our recipe today, we're going to make a honey rose pink tea latte. The full recipe will be linked below as per usual, but let's go through the steps. First up, I'm going to make a really simple rose syrup. I'm going to add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar to a saucepan, whisk those together so that the sugar dissolves more evenly, and then add half a cup of dried food-grade rose petals and buds to my saucepan. I'm going to whisk that occasionally to make sure everything is fully combined until it comes to a simmer. I'm going to then turn the heat off, cover this, and let it sit for 15 minutes to steep the rose petals fully. Now I'm going to prepare the supplies for my tea latte portion. I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of my organic pink tea to a small infuser kettle and fill that up with water and let it steep for 5 minutes. Just wait till you see the beautiful pink color this turns. I'm going to add a couple teaspoons of honey to some hot oat milk and then froth it with one of my handheld frothers until it's nice and fluffy. Now we're ready to assemble our tea latte. I'm going to start with a few teaspoons of my rose syrup in the base of a mug, then pour in my prepared pink tea, and finish it off with my honey oat milk to make this delicious latte. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out our company, which will be linked below, and if you want to try out any of our products, those will also be linked below. Make sure you keep checking in on Full Leaf Tea Company to see what else we have coming up, and please subscribe. Have a great day. Bye-bye.